So another thing we look for on the outside of the home, so a lot of so vinyl siding is really good. It's a lot better looking than the metal siding that you typically see on a mobile home, but the older ones I should say. But you'll see you get a little bit of buildup underneath the windows here. You get a lot of buildup back here. One thing that we can definitely offer to a community, or maybe they already do it on a regular schedule, that's something that we ask in due diligence, but a periodic pressure wash. So what they do is they actually, there's a possibility to build that into the actual rent, or maybe it's just a service, that's another thing that we could do just for retention, is we offer like a pressure wash. So we'll take it, clean the entire outside. It's not bad, but if it gets built up, then it becomes a problem. So it just looks better. It's better for the look of the community. It's just better in that aspect.